Hi, first graders. We're going to go over some sight words that you're going to practice reading here in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and take my mask off. So I'm going to show you the word. You might recognize this word, you might not. Some of these words are tricky words, meaning that we can't sound them out. They're words we just have to remember in our head. Practice, practice, practice. Because a lot of times they don't follow the rules. So this is the first one. See if you remember this word. If not, the word is play. Play. I like to play at recess. Next word. This one we can sound out if we remember that TH together, say th. So with. I went on a walk with my pet dog. This one says bee. There's two kinds of bees. Bee, like a bumblebee, is spelled B-E-E. This kind of bee, B-E with just the one E, would be used in a sentence such as, I want to be a teacher when I grow up. This one we can sound out. Help. 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 I fell and I hurt my arm. Help. Next word, I bet most of you know this word. We see this a lot in our reading. The word is and. I love pizza and ice cream. And the last word is a very tricky word. It does not follow the rules. So this is one of those words we just have to remember in our head and recognize when we see it in reading. The word is you. So Y-O-U spells you. You are a very special kid. Okay, I'm going to show you the cards one more time and we're going to practice reading them together. So when you see it on the screen, if you recognize it, say it. We'll mix them up. Okay. The word is bee. And help. Let's see if you remember this tricky one. This word is you. Play. Last word. Remember, TH says th. The word is with. With. Okay, so here's what you're going to do next. You're going to see these words in the story that you're going to read in your Journeys book. So I want you to get your Journeys book. I gave your parents this at the material pickup day. And you're going to turn to page 10 and 11. Looks like this. And you're going to see these words, the words that are highlighted yellow. And with your grown-up, they're going to read these cards to you. So on number 1, they'll read the regular words, and you're going to read the highlighted word to them. Okay, so I want you to read all of these cards. And then you're going to read, your adult will read this to you. And then you and your adult will read, what is a pal? A lot of these words you should be able to read by yourself. A lot of them have short A sounds that you can sound out. And then you'll see these sight words highlighted in yellow again in the story. Okay, so I want you to try to read this. If you get stuck, you can ask your adult for help on the tricky words. But sound your words out and look for those sight words. When you're finished, you can just respond with a done on Seesaw and put it in a journal.